can't believe that I'm willingly leaving you guys. You're like the most functional family that I have right now.
We will certainly miss you.
And I feel like this will always be my team, no matter where I go to school.
No,
What?
Gardner, I care about you and the validation your success